So, needless to say, we got a little overambitious with the timeline of our build. It was about a year ago almost, May 5th of 2018, when we bought the Sunline trailer that we would ultimately begin turning into our tiny home. And our hopes initially were to work all the way through the summer. We had both quit our jobs actually and began working full-time on the house, which we quickly came to realize was a full-time investment, and it was something we really needed to dedicate all our time to, especially if we were gonna finish the house, sell most of our belongings, at least everything we could do without, and save up enough money to hit the road by October, which was our initial plan. Like I said, a little overly ambitious, but we shot for it, and we got pretty close, but we realized we got to a certain point where we were running out of money, and some of the larger expenses, the compost toilet, the refrigerator, the stove, things that we really needed to tie everything together, we didn't have enough money for. And so my folks were super gracious. They let us continue keeping our home on their land, and we worked basically through the winter, decided it was going to be our last winter in upstate New York, at least for the foreseeable future, before heading out west. And so yeah, we bunkered down for the winter months, and between the two of us, we worked 3 jobs full-time with 1 car. It was super challenging, but made it work, and I believe a little wiser from the experience. But got to spend some time with my family, got to really focus on what our ultimate goal would be, because at first our plan was just kind of to hit the road and follow the sun. We didn't want to have another upstate New York winter. We were trying to avoid it, and ultimately I think our sticking around for the winter was beneficial, because we ended up looking into a couple different camp hosting positions in the Midwest, and actually we got one that we're gonna start on June 3rd, so that gives us May 25th is the day that we're heading out of here. So we have a little under 60 days to finish what we started, and I'm super excited about it. But it's gonna be a little bit of hard work, and well, a little bit, let's say it's gonna be a fair amount of hard work, but can't think of something else I'd rather work hard for.